Everything okay?
Yeah.
That didn't sound very convincing.
Idiots.
Her, because she tried to pull in.
Nice work, lads.
Captain Barnet tickets. I mean, that is behaviour. And then he slowed right down. See what they do? Slow down and give aggro. Oh yes, he's slowing right down too. Hell yeah. What a knob.
The f are you doing? Dickhead.
Oh, there's a move.
There's no point playing back things in your head over and over.
Jeez, what are those skets around this area from kids? Like literally local council house jobs around here.
Looks that way, doesn't it? What were they shouting at? The van driver?
No idea. But the...
Wasn't me.
But did you hear the language that came out of the one sat at the table as well? That was just as bad as the other
No,
one.
I didn't. Why?
Ta-da!
To be fair, because I'm only cleaning and cleaning and cleaning.
Okay.
I'm going to do the kit. Sail through the red light. It's perfectly alright, isn't it? I sound old talking like this. All the shelves are empty. There's panic button going on, or
Whoop.
you may as well go. You're off out into the road.
From Co-op, Morrison's and Sainsbury's. And even better, our freshness promise means your freshness, your groceries arrive fresh, or you get your money back. Deliveroo.
Well, that's the one thing you don't do, is there to go.
Oh, if I could only get some sleep. I need to get some sleep. I can't get no.
Nice bit of parking there. Yes, let's just slap it on double yellow, shall we? Why not?
What are you doing? Please don't tell me you're stopped there.
For a Tesla, now indicate either bell end.
Now, a bit of a sleeper, a Dolomite Sprint. And anybody who knows anything about these beasts knows that they were quite impressive on rally stages. Now, this is a Cadillac CTS, General Motors' doomed attempt at producing a BMW 5 Series Challenger. And if you really fancy this little oddity, then it can be yours for £2,000. I mean, you won't see many others like it on the road, that's for sure. So, a Series 2 Triumph 2000. Even after all these years, still quite a handsome car. Couple of Japanese domestic market models here. Honda Odyssey. Executive, this one, the top of the range. And a later model Odyssey.
Is that a Jensen? It is.
You go well.
Oh, there it is. It's waiting at the junction. Oh, hello.